In the bustling city of Neotechropolis, where innovation thrived and curiosity knew no bounds, lived Dr. Evelyn Sterling, a brilliant neuroscientist with a passion for unraveling the mysteries of the human mind. Driven by an insatiable curiosity, she embarked on a groundbreaking journey to understand the intricate workings of the human brain. Little did she know that her quest would lead her to the discovery of two fundamental mechanisms that governed human behavior: the reward mechanism and the attention mechanism. Dr. Sterling had always been fascinated by the dual nature of human motivation, the pursuit of pleasure and the need for focus. After years of tireless research and numerous experiments, she stumbled upon a revolutionary breakthrough. In the depths of her laboratory, she uncovered the existence of two distinct neural pathways that controlled these aspects of human behavior. The reward mechanism was a complex network of neurotransmitters and receptors that lit up with euphoria and contentment when humans experienced pleasure, be it from a delicious meal, a kind gesture, or a sense of accomplishment. Dr. Sterling found that this mechanism not only reinforced positive behaviors but also played a significant role in addiction, explaining why certain habits were so hard to break. On the other hand, the attention mechanism was a delicate system that determined what humans focused on amidst the sea of information around them. It acted like a filter, allowing only select stimuli to capture the conscious mind. Dr. Sterling discovered that this mechanism was finely tuned, dictating what individuals perceived, remembered, and ultimately acted upon. It explained why some experiences were etched into memory while others faded into obscurity. As Dr. Sterling delved deeper into her research, she realized that these two mechanisms were intricately linked, shaping human behavior in profound ways. The reward mechanism influenced the choices people made, seeking pleasure and avoiding pain, while the attention mechanism directed their focus, allowing them to prioritize and navigate the complexities of life. News of Dr. Sterling's groundbreaking discovery spread like wildfire through the scientific community, capturing the attention of scholars, psychologists, and researchers worldwide. The implications of her findings were profound, promising a new understanding of human behavior and paving the way for innovative therapies for various psychological disorders. As news of Dr. Evelyn Sterling's groundbreaking discovery of the human attention mechanism and the human reward mechanism spread like wildfire, Neotechropolis was abuzz with excitement and intrigue. People from all walks of life found themselves engrossed in passionate debates and discussions about the implications of these newfound revelations. In the heart of the city, at coffee shops, bustling squares, and corporate offices, heated debates erupted. Intellectuals and scholars argued fervently, citing scientific journals and studies, passionately defending the authenticity of Dr. Sterling's discovery. They envisioned a future where these mechanisms could be harnessed for the betterment of humanity, where addiction could be better understood and mental health treatments could be revolutionized. However, not everyone in Neotechropolis was quick to embrace these revelations. Skeptics emerged, questioning the validity of Dr. Sterling's research. They raised doubts about the complexity of the human mind, suggesting that it couldn't be reduced to mere mechanisms. Religious leaders and spiritualists, in particular, voiced concerns, arguing that such discoveries might diminish the importance of the soul and the metaphysical aspects of human existence. As the debates intensified, so did the friction between the believers and the skeptics. Social media platforms became battlegrounds where keyboard warriors clashed in virtual wars of words. Neotechropolis, once a city known for its unity and diversity, found itself divided over the fundamental nature of human consciousness. Public forums and town hall meetings were organized to address the growing tension. Dr. Sterling herself was invited to speak, hoping her insights could bridge the gap between the opposing factions. In a packed auditorium, she eloquently explained her research, emphasizing that her discovery did not negate the existence of the soul or the richness of human experiences. Instead, it offered a window into the physical processes that underpin these experiences, providing a new perspective without diminishing the complexity of human existence. Despite her efforts, the divisions persisted. The debate between science and spirituality, between the tangible and the intangible, became a defining characteristic of Neotechropolis. Families were torn apart by differing beliefs, friendships strained, and the once vibrant community spirit began to waver under the weight of ideological differences. In this climate of uncertainty, a group of young activists emerged, advocating for a more balanced approach. They argued for the integration of scientific discoveries with spiritual wisdom, suggesting that understanding the mechanisms of the mind could enhance spiritual practices rather than diminish them. Their message of unity struck a chord with many, offering a glimmer of hope in a city divided. Slowly, the tide began to turn. People started to recognize the value of both scientific exploration and spiritual introspection. Neotechropolis, once on the brink of ideological collapse, found a new path forward, a path that celebrated the complexity of the human experience, embracing both the tangible discoveries of science and the profound mysteries of spirituality. In the end, the friction between the believers and the skeptics served as a catalyst for a broader understanding. Neotechropolis emerged from this tumultuous period stronger, more resilient, and united in its acceptance of the multifaceted nature of humanity, celebrating the discovery of the human attention mechanism and the human reward mechanism as a testament to the endless possibilities of the human mind and spirit.